Simple Cert. Build your templates, send your certificates, store your data.
No matter what import method I choose, once I've imported and mapped my data fields, I'm ready to proceed to the preview step. This is step 3 of Send, and I'm taken to this screen after I've uploaded and mapped my data. From here, I can spot check and preview any certificate that I wish to ensure they are correct and look good before I actually save them. I can click on any recipient that I've created and will then see a preview of their actual certificate. If I need to correct a spelling error in the recipient's name or email, I can correct that here. If I notice I need to make a change to the way the email or certificate template is laid out, I can do that by clicking on the Edit Certificate or Edit Email areas in the top right side of my screen. Note that when I make any changes, I am making these changes on my actual template. So these edits will remain saved on my template when I next use it to create more certificates. After I'm happy with the way the certificates look, I will select Save Project to save my certificates. A project is a batch of certificates and their corresponding notification email that I've created.
When you save a project, you create and save your certificates. This is when credits are deducted from your account. Remember that 1 credit will create 1 certificate. Before saving a project, make sure that you proof your certificates to avoid wasting credits.
I'll want to name this project so that it easily tells me what these certificates are for, or what class these certificates are from, for example. I can also use the memo field to help further define my project.